Standard 4th. I am Anita Mishra and today I'll be teaching you general knowledge and in which the first chapter would be abbreviations. Okay students. So you might be thinking what is abbreviations? Let me give you an example. So we are going to study general knowledge and in the short form we call general knowledge as GK. So GK is abbreviation. It means that if there is a long word, then we give it a short abbreviations by taking first letter of those words. So here GK is generals G and knowledge is K. It becomes GK. So this is the abbreviation. Like this only, we'll move forward in this chapter, part 1, and we'll learn different kinds of abbreviations. So students, let's start with the chapter. So here we have so many abbreviations. So we'll start with that, and the first one is, do you know the full form of these abbreviations? Here is a list and find out more about them. So we'll start with CBI. CBI is C stands for Central, B stands for Bureau, and I stands for Investigation. Central means the most important part, Central. Then Bureau is a group of people which is working towards one thing, and investigation, it means when you are working on something. So I'll give you an example about investigation. So when you lost some book or you lost something, so what your father or mother used to do, they used to search for it and they used to find about where it have been gone, where you have seen last time. So this type of thing is known as investigation. Okay students, now we'll move forward to FIR. FIR means first information report. Report means the teacher teaching to you, teaches you, and after that she reports all these things to your principal. That means she is giving all the informations to the upper layer, means to your principal. So this is means as report. Now we'll move forward to raw. Raw means research and analysis wing. Research means doing a deep learning about that thing, doing a research on it. Like as of now we are doing research work on finding the vaccination for corona. So that is research. Analysis means once you get the whole research, you do analysis. So once we get the research that this medicine will work for corona vaccine, then what we used to do, we used to do analysis, we used to do work on that data, and that is known as research analysis wing. Then there is IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, which means IIT is an Indian institute where they are teaching you about technologies. So after 12th science, students used to go over there for further studies. IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, there are many kinds of IIT where one can study basis on technology, whether it be engineering or masters in science. Then it comes GPO, General Post Office. It means you might have seen postman coming to your house and delivering letters. So it has a office which is known as General Post Office. Then there is WHO. WHO means World Health Organization. It's not for the country, it's for the whole world, and which is taking care of health related issues. And it's an organization because there are so many people involved in it. So as of now, related to all corona or COVID reasons, we are only taking the guidance from WHO. Then there is World Wide Web. World Wide Web, www. Whenever you type anything in Google or you search for any of the websites or something, it always consists of www. Okay students, so to search anything on Google, we used to use www. Then there is UNO, United Nations Organization. So United Nation is an organization where all the countries' leaders meet over there and discuss about the things. Then STD, subscriber trunk dialing, which means when there were no cell phones, no mobile phones, nothing was there, we used to call through a STD, where we used to put 1 rupee coin over there and we used to call someone. So that was STD, which means subscriber, means the person who is subscribing for that. Dialing means doing a call. Then RBI, Reserve Bank of India. So it's a hierarchy. Hierarchy means there are so many banks, and those all banks are handled by RBI, means Reserve Bank of India. It's the head of all the banks. So each and every bank have to follow the instructions of RBI. PRO, Public Relations Officer. It means PR. PR officer is someone who take care of all the public relations, like whether everyone is getting all those things or not, this kind of thing. Then NCERT, which means National, and stands for National Council of Educational Research and Training. It means that the books we are using, NCERT, is made by nationally. The book is made by nationally, and it handles all the educational related things, trainings and research center. Now we'll move forward to UPSC. UPSC means Union Public Service Commission. So here it means for public service related things, this commission works. So we have seen our IS officers, IPS officers, all those officers have to pass this UPSC exam, and then only they can be on that duty or on that position. Then there is ONGC, which is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. ONGC is a semi-government type of firm which take cares of natural gas. We use CNG in vehicles, we use LPG for home, for cooking food. So these all things are cooperated by ONGC. Then there is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, which we use for cooking food. Then there is CNG, which we use in vehicles, compressed natural gas. Then there is CBSC, which is a Central Board of Secondary Education, which is related to education and take cares of education related thing. Then there is IAS. It is an Indian Administrative Service, so who takes care of all the administrative services. So basically we have like Valsad, we have a district Valsad, and it has its own IAS officer who takes care of all the decision taken for the welfare of the district. Then there is IPS, who is into police services, Indian police services, who takes care of all the criminal cases and all the problems which are created near us. NDA, it's National Defense Academy, which means all the soldiers, the navy, the army, the air force, all this comes into NDA. It means they take care of us when other countries are harming us or attacking us. Then there is MBBS, which is Bachelor of Medicines and Bachelor of Surgery. It means it is a degree for doctors who does specialize in all these things. Then there is MBA, which means Master of Business Administrations. So here in MBA, you learn about business related thing, managing things. Then there is BEd, Bachelor of Education. So all the teachers who are teaching you has almost done their BEd because they are teaching you. So here they used to make your teachers study about education related thing, that how they should teach you and all those things. Then there is WWF, which is World Wildlife Fund. World Wildlife means for the animals. They have a fund which is known as World Wildlife Fund. So students, this was in the part 1 where we learned about different kind of abbreviations. You have to keep that in your mind. You have to learn this and you have to note it down in your notebooks, all these things in your notebook. And one thing you have to keep in mind, that there is a case when MBBS doesn't stand for its whole full form, but it means that only. which means sometimes it is a case like MBBS where you have to take care that it doesn't start like NDA has National Defense Academy, so NDA, but MBBS starts like Bachelor of Medicines and Bachelor of Surgery. So sometimes this may happen, you have to remember all these things. Okay, students, so this was it for today. We'll again teach you part 2 about these abbreviations. So keep write down all these things in your notebook and make sure that you learn all these things. Thank you so much, students.